two advanced American SM-6 missiles were shot down by a Russian warship. The US Department of Defense announced that the Russian warship Karelia, a military reconnaissance vessel, approached the territorial waters of the United States at a distance of less than 2 kilometers and disabled two advanced American SM-6 missiles. According to preliminary data, we are talking about the use of an unknown, but very powerful complex of electronic suppression. The US Department of Defense claims that initially the American trackers failed to prevent a Russian warship from approaching the US coast, and after it approached a distance of only 1 nautical mile to the territorial waters of the United States, it became known that the ship's crew Karelia used electronic suppression, as a result of which two missiles of the advanced American air defense system were shot down. The Pentagon emphasizes that at the moment the military has no evidence. However, according to the American Military Command, the reason for this was the actions of a Russian warship. Everything became known only when the test of the American missile ended in complete failure. The purpose of the tests was to demonstrate the destroyer's ability to launch SM-6 missiles. But in the end, both missiles were unable to intercept their targets, the US Department of Defense said. Although there is no evidence that the American missile did not hit its target as a result of the impact of the Russian ship, we will clarify everything. The investigation into the true cause of the incident is approaching the results, the US Defense Department said. The SM-6 missile was developed by the United States to carry out many different missions, in which the main task is to intercept. It should be noted that such information had already appeared earlier. However, the Pentagon announced for the first time that Russia could really be involved in the incident. Thank you everyone for watching this video.